That's good. Team Nautica, man. Roughest. Okay. Let's go. Ready? Yeah. Alright, Cap. I'll do you. Wait, boy. Woo, come on, man.
People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel once again. Much love and appreciation as usual, people. So yo people, what I'm going to do today is going to show you more clips of what is going on in St Vincent and the Grenadines, people. I know everyone is aware by now of the volcano eruption and people had to be evacuated, and right now the ash particles from the volcano has been spreading to Barbados as well. So this is very dangerous situation going on, people, because if the ash particles can reach that far, can you imagine what is actually going on in St Vincent itself? It's just a very scary and sad situation, as I said, and help is on the way. Different Caribbean islands are sending help to assist St. Vincent and the Grenadines, people. So I'm going to post different pictures and videos of, you know, showing you what is actually going on in Barbados and in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, people. All right, that's all I'm going to do in this video. So once again, just keep St. Vincent and the Grenadines in your prayers, also Barbados and also the rest of the Caribbean who is being affected by this volcano eruption, people. Let's keep everyone in your prayers. We're praying and we're praying that nobody passes or loses them life, because we know what that happens, isn't it, people? Check out the video them, leave your comments and let me know what is going on, people. If you have family members over there, how are they doing? Let me know. All right, people, much love and appreciation. Bless up in yourself.
Alright folks, so this is St Vincent here with the ash fall. All street lights on. Outside dark and ashy. Everything full of ash. It's crazy. You can see it on the cars and the passing. Look, this is 9:30 or something like that in the morning. Feel like nighttime. The sun is supposed to be somewhere up there, completely obscured. I took a picture of it earlier. It was in this direction, completely obscured. Just definitely crazy. You can feel the dust in your eyes. Coming up on the boat, you can even see the cement plant. This here is a blue car. Look at all that. That's the true color of the car. That's the dust in my hand. Unbelievable. If anybody were back looking at this, I think there's a gray car, right? And this car parked here this morning, maybe about 2 hours ago, and it was blue because I parked this one. My dog buddy said, when they came on, there's my truck here. When they came down, this truck was white. Now look at all that. I mean, it was dirty from the start, but you know what I mean. But it wasn't this dirty. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. 9 a.m. All you could do is really pray for brothers and sisters in St. Vincent. And if nothing else, this shows us how close we are to each other and how everything that affects one affects all.
Yes, it seems to be snowing in Crab Hill. Like, all the trees white instead of volcanic ash protect the north of the island. Well, it did. It honestly did. Look at that. Look at that. This is what down here look like right now. It is roughly after 9, and this in after 9 a.m. and this is what it looks like. Volcanic ash. This car get rest off again this morning. I had to clear the glass, and look at it now. Yep. Can't leave home. Can't do nothing.
Imagine, ain't even 10 o'clock yet. I mean 10 o'clock in the morning. And this is St. Lucie. Crab Hill, St. Lucie. Wow. Imagine, ain't even 10 o'clock yet. I mean 10 o'clock in the morning. And this is St. Lucie. Crab Hill, St. Lucie. Wow.
Alright, this is St. Lucie. Above my salon and my boutique.
You don't let go.
You can see it falling on the cameras. You can see it falling. Yes, it seems to be snowing in Crab Hill. Like, all the trees white instead of volcanic ash protect the north of the island. Well, it did. It honestly did. Look at that. Look at that. This is what down here look like right now. It is roughly after 9, and this in after 9 a.m. and this is what it looks like. Volcanic ash. This car get rest off again this morning. I had to clear the glass, and look at it now. Yep. Can't leave home. Can't do nothing.
All this is the volcanic ashes that coming over Barbados. If you can see again, a little lighter here, this is where the sun is right now. This little light spot. Everything else is volcano ashes, and the sun is completely blocked out. Completely, because it's supposed to be a sunny day today, right? Watch out. If you guys could see with your plain eyes, you will see it's much darker than what the phone making it out to be, right? It's crazy.
Watch out, oh, you look boy. Watch out, oh, you look boy.
That's good. Good, Team Nautica, man. Roughest. Let's go. Yeah. Alright, Cap. All to you. Wait, boy. Woo, come on, man.
This is not rain. This is stone falling. This is not rain. This is not rain falling. And what you're hearing is not thunder. My stone jump in my mouth. What you're hearing is not thunder. It's the soufriere. It is the soufriere. Wow. Yeah?
Alright, that's the crew still there trying to get out, still trying to leave. Still trying to leave Chateaubelair, and they can't leave. We're going to survive. Alright. That's not you out here, man. That's not your Blue Waters Club. That's not you came out the club. Tell us something, Natty.
Well, man, I witnessed 79, boy, but this is the worst. This is tougher than all that I experienced in 1979, especially this time of the day.
You didn't run 79.
No way I stay right here, I wait out, but this thing looking possible like I got to move, man. Because this time, 1979, you didn't got 3-4 inches of ash on the ground.
Okay.
Never, 79.
Even like within a week, you didn't have a build up.
You didn't got to build up of ash here, man. Too much ash.
So you think now we're moving?
Yeah, man, the ash get into me now. Too much ash, man, it get into me. So I'm telling you. Look at this place. The whole place covered with ash. I'm right now on the wharf in Chateaubelair and look at this. This whole place covered with nothing else but ash. Look at it. The village of Fetchouz, the guy is...
Don't talk about Soufriere.
Don't talk about the volcano, that's totally covered up. You can't find Fetchouz? There's a building down on the road. Come on. What in here, you know? We having more than 4 inches of ash right now on the ground. Christ.
Well, as you say, you can't find Fetchouz. Yeah, these guys came from Fetchouz and they all gone now. So apparently nobody in Fetchouz. Okay, we can see the sun is still up. It barely can come through. Sometimes it's completely dark, like midnight. No visibility. All right.